Hello,
Hi, is this Ted?
this is Ted.
Hi, Ted. This is Dr. Matheson at the Hearing Place.
Yes, Dr. Ashley, how are you?
I'm good. This is
Good.
Dr. Stump's boss. My name is Brittany.
Uh-huh.
And your granddaughter, Ellie, nominated you to get some new hearing aids for the holidays.
Really?
Yeah, and we selected you as the person to receive the hearing aids.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man, you're going to make me cry.
Oh, well, we're just so excited. I know that your current hearing aids are a little older and you just were hoping to get some new ones.
Yep, because I couldn't afford the new one, so I
Yeah.
was about ready to go deaf or have you keep cleaning.
Oh,
One of
well,
the two. One of
well,
the two.
we're so
But,
excited to get these to
well,
you. So, we're hoping that Ashley can get you in here in the next couple weeks before Christmas, okay?
you got a deal.
All right, so I'll send out the hearing aids to Ashley and then she'll give you a call when she has them, okay?
Well, you tell the people at the hearing place how much I appreciate it, and they'll be getting a thank you card. Believe
Oh,
me.
well, we're just
Thank
excited
you,
to help
thank
you,
you.
Ted, okay?
Oh yes, that's going to be a big help.
Okay, good. Well, we'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, well, thanks again for calling.
You're welcome, Ted. Bye-bye.
All right.